In this video, we demonstrate the Cover from Points tool. Cover from Points creates a surface from a collection of points representing the boundary of a surface. This will create a planar or non-planar surface depending on your point locations. The Cover from Points tool is an option that can be used to help fill or repair gaps in surface models. Let's demonstrate by filling the hole in our diamond gem model. But first, let's use Copilot to examine the topology, which confirms it's a single surface consisting of 72 faces and 8 open edges. We will fill those open edges with the Cover from Points tool. To begin, pick the Surface Modeling Tool palette and select the cover. Then select the Cover from Points sub-option. View the model where you can pick the 8 vertices. Now select each vertex and end with a right click. Next, let's join our cover surface with the rest of the model to confirm there are no more leaks. We'll use the Join Surface tool from the Surface Utilities and pick the 2 surfaces. Note the response indicates that this now forms a watertight solid. And lastly, let's confirm with Copilot the repair with the Cover from Points surface and joining created a valid part with a volume. And we can see that this part now has no open edges and correctly provides a volume.
Thanks for watching.